Hi, dear teacher and farmers. I am Marta Romero. I have studied zootechnics since 2018. I have lived in Pasuncha since I was a child. I have been in this nice town for 23 years. I I have found the tranquility to live in this town. I have not thought about getting married. I have always been focused on progressing. I had other priorities since I was a child. I have watched bad and good movies. The best movie I have seen is 3 meters above the sky. The worst movie I have seen is Avatar. I have loved the countryside for many years. Thank you.